Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2018 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler, and this is in Wicked Red. At the front we've got dual disc brakes. We do have ABS front and rear as well. Got this nice tall windshield. These bars that are pulled back a little bit makes this ride really comfortable. We've got the 107 Milwaukee 8 cubic inch engine. We have rider and passenger floorboards. This trunk, which is absolutely huge. There is also a luggage rack on the back as well. We have passenger and rider backrest. There is a parking brake on these. There is also a reverse, which is very nice. And total miles are 2,598. Again, this is a 2018 Freewheeler. Come check it out. We are open for test rides 6 days a week.